Number 4. Black Nitrile Gloves. Upon reviewing the Medline VEN6045R Venom Steel Premium Industrial Black Nitrile Gloves, it is evident that this product is a valuable addition to the industrial safety gear market. The gloves are not discontinued and come in dimensions of 5.98 into 4.72 into 3.94 inches, weighing 15.68 ounces, with the item model number VEN6045NH. The manufacturer, Medline, first made this product available on July 23, 2013. The gloves originate from Malaysia and have achieved a bestsellers rank of #3030 in tools and home improvement, as well as #24 in non-sterile disposable safety gloves, based on 2,813 customer ratings averaging 4.7 out of 5 stars. The Medline VEN6045R Venom Steel Premium Industrial Black Nitrile Gloves offer a unisex adult design, ensuring a versatile fit for a wide range of users. The favorable customer feedback speaks to the quality and functionality of these gloves, making them a reliable choice for various industrial and safety applications.